Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mixed bhaji at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need a colorful assortment of fresh vegetables, such as potatoes, onions, and spinach. Also, have your gram flour, rice flour, and a vibrant selection of aromatic spices ready. Don't forget the cooking oil, as we will be deep frying these delicious fritters to golden perfection. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful snack. Now let's craft the heart of our bhaji, the batter. In a spacious mixing bowl, combine about 1 cup of gram flour with 1/4 cup of rice flour. Slowly add water, whisking continuously until you achieve a thick, smooth, and lump-free consistency. Next, stir in your chosen spices like 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Finally, add 2 finely chopped green chilies and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for an aromatic kick. With our batter ready, it's time to combine it with the star ingredients. Add your 2 cups of chopped vegetables, such as sliced onions and potato sticks, to the prepared batter. Gently mix everything together until every piece is beautifully coated. Next, heat about 3 cups of cooking oil in a deep pan to a medium-high temperature, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop small, spoonful portions of the mixture into the hot oil. The final step is to achieve that irresistible golden perfection. Fry the bhaji for approximately 3 to 5 minutes per batch, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once cooked through, carefully remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon. Place them on absorbent paper to drain any excess oil, ensuring they remain light and delicious. Serve your hot, crispy mixed bhaji immediately with a side of tangy tamarind chutney or a spicy mint sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.